Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's install is from Unice Hair. Okay, I do have their 5x5 lace closure wig. I do have the texture of body wave. The density is 180%, and did I say the inches? I hope I said density. But anyway, the inches is 24. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the packaging, y'all. Flawlessbomb.com. I'm just here for it, okay? I'm not washing or conditioning this unit throughout this video, so this is what it's going to look like straight out the box. Ooh, I almost choked. Off camera, I did add some lace tint, but your girl couldn't find her darker one, which I would prefer to use because I feel like it has a better blend. But anyway, we're just going to use what we got. I'm taking a pair of shears and, you know, just cutting the excess lace off of here. I love HD closures, y'all, because it's just very, very easy to work with. It's very, very easy to blend, and it's thinner than the standard closure. Also, let's just give Unice a round of applause for also plucking the unit, okay? I love closures plucked. Now I'm just going to go ahead and install it. I'm using my got2b glue spray. I'm taking about 1 to 2 layers and I'm waiting until it's tacky. Be sure to make sure your dryer is on a cool heating setting though, because if not, it's going to dry too quick. Once it's tacky, place your unit and stretch it. Stretch it as far as it can, okay? And hold it for a few seconds and then take your blow dryer again and make sure it is, girl, stuck on there, okay? You don't want it blowing off in the wind. We don't want that, so make sure it is firmly secured. Now we're just going in to straighten up the part. I'm about to go ahead and use my hot comb. I love for the top of my units to look very, very natural. We don't want wig vibes, okay? Even though it's a wig, we don't want people to know it's a wig. So I'm just going to take some some of my bed head wax and hot comb the section of the closure in its entirety. So when you do this, it's going to have it laying super duper flat. Trust me, trust the process. Okay, so now I'm just adding a little bit of concealer to that part. Y'all see the difference? Look at that. Look at that. It just makes it look realistic. Like, oh my gosh, this is a closure. This is not even a frontal. But anyway, if you guys see me swooping, it's because there is a track that is kind of showing towards the end of the closure, and we don't want that. So I'm just going to swoop a piece of hair over and then tuck it underneath of the unit. And I'm telling you, sis, 1, this helps give an illusion of a frontal. 2, nobody can check you and nobody's gonna come for you. So now I'm just going to cut a little bit of layers into the unit. This unit was very, very thick and very, very full, and I loved it. So I'm like, we got to put some curls in this. I got to see what this unit looks like with curls because I just loved it. Like, I never had a closure that was that full. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, I just never had it. So I was like, let me put a little bit of layers in there. I wasn't trying to do too much because sometimes when I do layering, I cut a lot of length off, but I'm trying to maintain the length this time. So we're going in with our heat protectant. This is by Beyond the Zone, and then we're going in with our Sebastian Plus spray, I think that's what it's called. And we're just going to use these two products to help hold our curls while we are curling. Okay, so I'm just pinning up all the curls because I'm going to go off camera and do the other side because you guys get my drift. But those curls are nice and beautiful and bouncy. Look at them bounce. They were just so full, and it was just like, look at that. It was just here. Anyway, we are all complete. As you guys can see, I did the other side. Now we're going to take this scarf off. I had this on for a minute, so I had a line on my forehead. But I'm just taking that front part of the comb and combing out the closure section because it was a little bit hard because I OD'd on that got-to-be glue. But now we're just using the wide sides of that comb and we're just combing out the curls, y'all. These curls came out popping. When I say popping, I've never been completely happy over curls that I put in because it's like, I've been practicing, y'all. I've been practicing, and I think I'm getting better. Okay, but I gotta keep going. But y'all, this hair was so freaking bomb. I don't have any complaints. Okay, this is one of the best closure units that I've tried in 2020. Okay, it's made it to its number one. No cons, minimum shannon and tangling though. But other than that, y'all, this unit is freaking fire. So hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.